Deliano. Marikina wins the tip, and Eloy Tan sails in for the two.
To deliver that assist to Steven.
Prince Charming, Clint Escamis.
Kinilig si Ate Mix dun sa tira ni Escamis.
Actually, hindi lang siya. Actually, hindi lang siya.
Right place at the right time.
Yung gusto mo naman dito sa para sa'yo na, you know, I wanna have the spotlight. I wanna, you know, wanna score this many points. But hindi eh. Itong team na to, alam mong unselfish eh.
Oo, and you know, makikita yan.
46-34, biggest lead para dito sa Abra. Tan looking to change that, and he cuts the lead to 9.
Kailangan nila yung shoot na yun.
Lee, as we bring you this 3-point shot of the game, at dito sa inyo ng Extreme One-Stop Shop Appliances. Eloy Tan at the free throw line.
Coming from Abra, patapos tayo ng ating second quarter. So you still have another half para to figure things out.
Back to Eloy Tan. Escamis. Great defense, but Tan sinks the jumper.
Great defense, but you know, greater offense for
Eloy Tan again.
parang silang dalawa nagbabakbakan dito eh, no?
Tan. Dire-diretso si Eloy Tan.